ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ यश्चन्दसा वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोऽप्योऽद्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासं शरीरं मे विचर्षणं जह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवं ब्रह्मणः मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय ॐ शान्तिः 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 ॐ मेधादेवी जुषमाना न आगाद्विश्वाची भद्रासु मनस्यमाना त्वया जुष्टानुदमाना धुरुक्तान् बृहत्वदेम विदथे सुवीराः त्वया जुष्टऋषिर्भवति देवि त्वया ब्रह्मागतः श्रीरुतत्वया जुष्टश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्वद्रविणो न मेधे मेधां मयिन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती मेधां मे अश्विनावुभावा धत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सरासु च या मेधा गन्धर्वेषु च यन्मनः दैवीं मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधासुरभिर्जुषताम् आमां मेधासुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सा मां मेधा सुप्रतीका जुषन्ताम् मयि मेधां महि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां महेन्द्रयेन्द्रियं दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो भ्राजो दधातु शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. Let us take in dhatu, in gatau, second gana dhatu. Okay. In gatau. In gatau. Yeah. Then pra plus in dhatu, second gana, shap comes, shap goes away. I am deriving the latlakara prathama ekavachanam. Okay. Dhatu is in dhatu, our familiar dhatu. Now, upasarga you are adding now. Pra plus E. What will happen? Pra plus E. Pray. Right? Pray plus tip. What will happen now? Becomes preti. Is it correct? The question is this correct? This is not correct. Pra plus E you have added, becoming A plus E becomes guna, pre, then T. Pra is upasarga, E plus tip. This is antaranga. This is should be done first. This is logical. I'm answering your question. I'm not teaching something new. Okay, answering your question only. So E plus tip now. What will happen to E plus tip? E plus tip will become E takes guna. So para plus eti. Now what you get? Avarnat upasarga then becomes vriddhi happens. Praiti. This is the right form. So when you add this is antar, this is to be done first, and after that only pra. In mathematics you have like symbols. That is, this is how it should be done. This is understood. So therefore, when you say upasarga dhato means dhatu with upasarga is not never going to come. It is understood. It is kriya padam. Dhatu rupa. That is why the example is. Okay. Clear? Yes. Delete this. Delete. No. Okay, that's right. Okay. This is okay. Anchokaji, this is wrong. Okay, I will mark it as. This is wrong. I have to write something cross. How to write cross? Not proper. Incorrect. Something. Okay. Now you can take photo. This is the correct form, right? Huh? What's that? Yeah, please take. Yes. Yeah, this is correct, right? It's a good question actually. It's when you think logically, this good question must come. It's okay. Understood. Dhatu beginning with A, but when you add tip, what is the form? Eti. Therefore it will happen.
Because you cannot like you join upasarga and dhatu directly.
No.
So that's why I'm
The dhatu means you have to add the pratyaya, make that form. Yes, then only upasarga. That is how that is why I said this is the antaranga, and then after that you can add. Even the
This rule, but this rule will not actually here because it's a dhatu, it starts with E, not A.
dhatu. No, dhatu is E, but what happens when it takes guna? Beginning with? That's what it is. That is what it is. That is what you have to take it. The form of the dhatu which begins with what may be H letter, right?
Not original form.
Not original form. Because you don't add the upasarga to the original dhatu. You are adding to the kriya padam only. That is why this explaining this. Clear? Okay. You can share it to the group, sir. This one. I'll deleting this, huh? Okay, fine. Praiti is the correct one. Praiti or Praiti, what is the rule? Avarnan. Apavada to vriddhi. So para rupam, right? Engi para rupam. Yes, it becomes not Praiti. Sir, correct that. Okay. I did by mistake I put a vriddhi. It is Praiti. Okay, sorry. It is apavada to vriddhi. Engi. Sorry, 1 minute. It is upasargat. What is the rule? It's Sutrapata. Okay, 1 minute. I might get confused. Upasargat, upasakam dhatu, engi pararupam. Engi pararupam. It's correct only. Yeah, it is form of the in dhatu only. Why is this confusion is? Okay, we are talking about eti, aditi, utsu, applying that. It's correct only, sir. Don't delete your photo. Okay, right? Understand? You'll understand. You will see that. Okay, this is Praiti. I'll explain this. First, you understand this question I have answered, right? We will see that. Yes, don't worry. Now we will chant and explain this. Now let us start from. Let us not start from the beginning. Time not there. We will start from this rule. Parasannikarshah samhita. Samhitayam iko yanachi echo yava yavaha ekaha purvaparayogo Engaf padantadati. Akasavane dirgaha. Vriddhiradej. Adengunaha. Adgunaha. Vriddhirechi. Now, Engi Pararupam. That's what, okay. That is where we started. Engi Pararupam. What is Engi Pararupam? That is Upasarga ending with Avarna, followed by the Eng letter. A plus A, generally what will happen? Vriddhi. Vriddhi. A, Avarna followed by H letter, Vriddhi. But this is Apavada Pararupam, right? That is where it started. So, Engi Pararupam is Apavada to Vriddhi. Vriddhi is Apavada to Guna. That's how the whole thing flows. Okay, understand the connection. So, Engi Pararupam is Apavada. Now, Eng follows. Follows what? Upasarga, beginning, sorry, the Upasarga, Avarnantat Upasargat, followed by Eng letter. Now, this example, Mariaji, this Eti, that is example specific only for a Indatu, which is Apavada to Pararupa, therefore Vriddhi. Okay. Which is, I'll tell you, yeah, I've added more, don't worry. Not new Artika, everything we have seen in the Sandhi chart, it is there. Yes. I've added more. With this, Achanti will be over. Now see, Engi Pararupam is there. Apavada to Engi Pararupam is, we saw yesterday, Eti, Edati, Utsu. Right? What is Eti that? That is specific for the Indatu, the form of the Indatu, which begins with, which begins with, yeah, which letter? H letter. So, Indatu beginning with, that's why Eti, Eshi, Emi and all is there, and whatever form is there. Okay. So, that is here the example of what I gave to explain Upasarga is Indatu I took. So, therefore, Vriddhi you have to apply, not Pararupa. Connection is Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi is Engi Pararupam, and Apavada to Engi Pararupam is Eti Editi Utsu. Apavada to Pararupam is what? Vriddhi. That is how the connection. Okay. See, yeah. If you go like that, it will go. Now, Engi Pararupam, yesterday we saw. We have seen this. We have seen the examples also. Avarnantat, Upasargat, with Vriddhi Giddhi, everything we have done. And I think I wrote my own Vriddhi also. Yes, everything is here. Okay. I sent you also this. Okay. Now, Avarnantat, Upasargat, Parasya, Yengadau, Datau. Dhatu means not really Dhatu, it's a form of the Dhatu. Dhaturu, Pe, Pare, Purva Parayogastane, Pararupaha Adesha Bhavati. We saw this. Now, there is a Vartika to this. It's all covered. We know it in the Sandhi chart. Please see. Sandhi chart is really very good. Yeah, it is there. I didn't cover. Okay, I thought I will insert that also. Shakandvadishu Pararupam Vachyam. I'm not going to teach this simple. I mean, not going to see that site and all. Go to the Sandhi chart and see this. Sandhi chart is Asti. You can see here. 6.1. Here it is, the Sandhi chart. See, Sandhi chart is very useful. It is very useful. You keep this, everything is covered. This is what first I gave it to Cecilia ji and Lilian ji. When they say this, they ran away. Last year when they had problem, I said, you read this, you will understand. They could not. You need to be taught, then only you will understand this. When you understand, this will be useful. If you don't understand, it's just a printed material. Okay. Even Swamiji also referring this to take the class. Explain that batch. Just telling me. I use your chart only. So, this Sandhi chart is very useful. Okay. Now, Shakandvadishu already we have seen. What is Shakandvadishu? It's the Gana. What is a Gana? Don't refer into the Dhatupata. We have separate book called Ganapata. 5 Granthas written by Panini Maharshi. Pancha Grantha. They are called Upadesha. Remember, all these technical words remember. Now, Shakandvadi Gana. So, in the group, Shakandvadi. Here Adi is Shakand, etc. You can say beginning also you can say. The group begins with Shakandu. Shakandu plus Adi, Shakandvadi. Or the group beginning with the Shakandu, then Shakandu, etc. also you can say. But here I think it should be the group beginning with Shakandu. There what happens? Both the preceding T we know. What is T? Achontyadi T sutra is there, but I have not explained the sutra. The T we will see when you see Tinganta. If I explain T now, if I insert that also, it's a problem. We cannot then it will go like that. T means Achontyadi T, group of varnas starting from the last vowel to the end. Okay, that's called T. And that's followed by Ach. What will happen? Purva parayogastane kimadesha bhavati? Pararupa. Because it's Vartika to Pararupa. So Pararupa will happen. Example, Shaka plus Anduhu. A plus A. What will happen generally? Samana Dirgha Sandhi. Apavada. This is Pararupa. What is a Pararupa? A will be the replacement. Shakanduhu. Right? Manas plus Isha. Here what is the T letter? Here also you have to see the T letter. T letter is last Ach, that is A. And here the last letter is Ach, the T letter is not A. As. Starting from the last Ach to the end of it. See, Achontyadi T. That's a sutra. Achaha, Antya, Antya Achaha, Adi, etc. Antya Achaha, Adi T. Antya Achaha, last Ach. Adi, etc. up to the end, it's called T. So, what is the T letter? As plus E, what is the replacement? Pararupam will be the replacement. So, Man plus Isha, Manisha. Patat plus Anjalihi, what is the T letter? At plus A will become A. So, you get Patanjalihi. Kaka plus Anduhu, Kakanduhu. So, this is Pararupam Vachyam, this is Vartika, right? You just copy paste here the meaning. That's what it is, nothing else is to be done in this. So, done? Okay. Yeah? Web page, yes, it is there. You want to explain? I didn't explain, I don't want to. Okay, I'll explain that. In the website, you will find some more Vartikas, but other Vartikas not required. For one word, there is a Vartika will be there. That too much detail not required. At this point, it's not required also. So, I left it. I'll explain this here. Here it is there. Engi Pararupam, under this sutra, this Vartika is there. Okay, let me read this. Shakandvadi Ganasya Shabdanam Nirmane Purva Shabdasya T Sanyakasya, please see, Parashabdasya Adiswarena Saha Pararupa Ekadesha Karaniyaha Ityartaha. Understand? Shabdadi Shakandvadi Ganasya Shabdanam. Shabdas of the Shakandvadi Gana Nirmane, when you are forming, constructing the form Shabda. Purva Shabdasya T Sanyakasya. T is a Sanya. The T Sanya of the Purva Shabda. Parashabdasya Adiswara means what? Beginning Swara. Swarena Saha Pararupaha. Purva Parayogastane Pararupaha Ekadesha Karaniyaha. Ayam Shakandvadi Ganaha Etadrishaha. These are the Shakandvadi Gana. What are that? Shakandu is Shaka plus Andu. Shakandu. Atra Akara Akara Yogo Savana Dirgaha Bhaditva Anena Vartikena Pararupaha Ekadeshaha Akaraha Vidiyate. Clear? Bhaditva is negating, dismissing. Dismissing what? Savana Dirgatam. Already we saw that. That's what I explained now. Pararupaha. Similarly, he has given more examples. You can see that, right? Okay. Whatever examples I have given, that is enough. Okay. And so many examples are there. Old Gana, not required. Done. The next one. The next one is Otvoshtayogho Samaseva. This is Otvoshtayogho Samaseva. This is also, please see the Sandhi chart given. What is Otvoshtayogho? And Va is there. In the Vartika, you see Va, what is Va means? No. The Vartika Va is there, I am saying. Va means optional or. Don't think this Va is Vartika. In the Sutra, you will see the Sutra Pata. If you see the Sutra Pata, here within bracket they will give Va and dot will be there. Dot means Vartika. If Va is there as part of the Sutra, that is not Vartika. Here you can see Va is there. Namre ditasyantyasya tu va. That va is not Vartika, it is optional. Okay. Don't confuse with tu va. It is different. So what does it say, this Vartika? This we have seen. Samase means in the samasa, in the context of samasa. What vibhakti is that? Samase, saptami. Samhitayam vishaya vise. Similarly, samase vishaya in the context of sandhi. Otu oshta yoho. Otu is one shabda. Oshta is another shabda. Otu plus oshta, what will happen? Otu oshta. Yes, sir, that's what is given here. Otu is one shabda. Otu oshta yoho. Oshta is another shabda. When otu and oshta shabda follows avarna. So avarna, the last letter of the first word, and the beginning of the following word, if it is the beginning, and the following word if it is otu or oshta. The following word is if it is otu or oshta. It means a plus otu, right, or a plus oshta, right. If this happens, what will happen? Pararupa. Like example, you can see stula plus otuhu will become a plus o becomes stulotuhu, pararupa, right? Or because it is optional, a plus o, what will happen? What sandhi is that? Vriddhi sandhi. Because this is optional, pararupam is optional, therefore vriddhi will happen. Bimba plus oshta, bimboshtha by this Vartika. If it should be a samas, if it is samasa, then only it is optional. Okay. If it is not a samasa, then vriddhi. Danta plus oshta. That's what we chant. Akarasya danta oshtam. We can say dantoshtam or dantoshtam, both are okay because it's on samasa. It is very specific for the otu and oshta shabda if they are the purvapada or uttarapada. I don't know. You see, the oshta is lips, dantoshtam. Oshta don't ask, you know. Okay. Otu is given here, you can see the meaning. Marjaraha, okay. Otu is equal to marjaraha. What is marjaraha? Yes. Yadi samasta padasya uttara padam otu marjaraha atava oshta yeto shabdau staha targi tasya samasta padasya nirmanam vikalpena pararupa ekadishim krutva bhavati. Yata stula otuhu stulotuhu stulautuhu. Okay. Otu is marjara. Stula otu means fat cat.
Fat cat.
That's a very important word. Okay. Okay. Yeah, special. These words are there for special one Vartika for one word. You see, Uttara Shabda Otu is there. That is why for that one Vartika. Okay, so this is done, right? So you will have two forms. This is applicable only for Pararupam for Samasa. Samasa means two padam will be there. If the Uttara padam is Otu or Oshta and the Purva padam ending with Akara, then if you are in Samasa context, Pararupam is optional. That's what it is. Okay, don't spend too much time on this. This is only this much. For deriving from fat cat, you don't have to know so many things. Okay, you feed them, it will become fat. Okay, this is Engi Pararupam, right? Then, for this Apavada is Eti, Edeti, Utsu that we saw yesterday. We are going to see that. Don't worry. Before that, Pararupam is there. What's that?
I'll stop for writing the index.
Yes. I said it leaves always space, some space required. Now, Eti, Edeti, Utsu is Apavada. But before going to the Apavada of Pararupam, under Pararupam itself, some more sutras are there. We'll cover and then go. So, two more sutras are in Omangoscha and Atogune. This Omangoscha not so important, but Atogune is important. Okay. So, Omangoscha, what is that? You can see the Sandhi chart 6195. See the sutra order 6195, 96, 97. Omangoscha. In the you can see here the sutra pata Yengi Pararupam, then Omangoscha. Usya Padanta and all is there, but it is not required now. That is why I am not modifying the sutra pata, nobody is eligible, okay. Whatever we studied, for that I am making an order, okay, so that we can remember it. When we grow, that time more insertion will be there. Then what will I do? Anandji. Next course, when we the same sutra suchi, we will be adding more and more. It will keep.
Yes, it has to be revised.
So now our understanding is grows slowly. Therefore, this is the order. If you remember this order, it's fine. But when you grow further, then we can add insert more sutra. We don't have to insert. We can write it separately. Okay. Because the order is given by Panini Maharshi. Why should I write? And I cannot write also. Nobody can write. Okay. Omang Gosha now, 6195. 6195. This also you can see this. Omang Gosha, it's for only this Om and Om Shabda and Ang Shabda. Ang is not, Om and Ang, yes. Ang is Upasarga. Ang Upasarga, yes. Just a minute. Yes, yeah. Which one? Ang is Upasarga. Is Upasarga.
But N is it letter and that becomes only A.
Only. When Om Shabda and Ang Upasarga follows Avarna, then Purva Parayogastane Pararupaha Adesha Bhavati. This also we have seen. Shivaya plus Om Namaha. So when you do Sandhi, A plus O, Avarna followed by Om Shabda. So Purva Parayogastane Pararupa, Shiva Yom Namaha, it becomes. The next one, Shiva plus Ehi. What is Ehi? Egi iti tamahutaya svarchasaha. Yeah. Come. That is also in dhatu. Dhatu is in. Yes. In dhatu with ang upasarga. In means gatau, to go. With ang upasarga means come. Lot lakara egi. Okay. So, egi, Shiva plus egi, it is Shiva padam, the shabda ending with akara, followed by egi. Egi is ang plus e. Here, what is upasarga? Ang upasarga. That is the highlight. So, avarna followed by ang. Purva parayogastane, kim adesha bhavati? Pararupaha. So, a plus a will become, that's what it says. Egi is there. Egi is upasarga. Sorry, egi, how do you form get egi from in dhatu? Egi means come, right? So ang upasarga is there. You have to know the
form. You have to know the form of the dhatu to know this egi. It's with the opposite. Because another way you cannot.
yes. Dhatu is in dhatu. In dhatu will become this egi. Which one? In lung form also you will see like that. Ang upas, not that is not ang upasarga. Art you cannot come. Art will not come. Okay. It is only ang, very specifically ang upasarga. So gacchati is there. Agacchati, suppose if it is ang upasarga. So that ang is talked about. When ang upasarga follows avarna, then purva paryogastane, a plus a will become a, and a plus e becomes a, shivehi you get. In fact, this we had the debate, Kaivalya Upanishad. अथ आश्वलायनः भगवन्तं परमेष्ठिम् उपसमेत्यो वाच अधिघि भगवो ब्रह्मेति श्रद्धा भक्ति ध्यान योगात् avaihi or avehi. That discussion was there. I think was that in your class? It is avehi or avighi. Avehi you can derive by applying this rule. Omang goscha. Au. Ava plus egi. Ava is Shabda Padam ending with Akara, followed by Egi. Egi is derived from in dhatu with Ang Upasarga. Okay, he is Lotlakara Pratyaya. Now, this, see, ang upasarga is there. Rule is, when ang upasarga follows avarna, then pura parayogastane. Pura parayogastane, what happens? Pararupa adesha bhavati. That is not optional. This is, you get, therefore, you get a plus a becomes a plus e. Here, a plus e becomes a, therefore, avegi form you get. Okay. So, even though here, even though here egi, the form you get, okay, we will see the side. More explanations here. It is under the 6190. Oh, not there. 6195. Site is there. Yeah, I can do this. Let us see whether it comes. O mango. Okay, the sutra. We will see this. I will explain with this. All the things are there. In the in this Sandhichar, it is given like in a short way. Detail you can see here, because this is a sutra, not a vartika, so we have to see this. Omang hoscha. Omang ho is what vibhakti? Saptami vibhakti. Okay, Dvitiya dvivachanam. What is the pratipadikam? Omang marut shabdavat. Marutoho. Omang omangoho. Okay, marut shabdavat. Cha. Saptami vibhakti means what? It follows. Follows what? Follows avarna. For the at, here you can see at comes as anuvritti from ad gunaha. So, you see the sutra pata. Omango cha 6195. Ad gunaha, it is 6187. And ad here it comes as it goes as anuvritti up to 96. Okay. So, we are in the sutra 95. So, comes as anuvritti. At. At means what? Not only avarna. Purva shabda ending with avarna. So, at, then achi comes as anuvritti, not required. Achi is not required. And what is adesha? Yengi pararupam comes as adesha. Okay, these are the anuvritti. Clear? So, saptami is there, panchami is there, adesha is there. Sthani is purva parayoga, that is adhikara. Samhitayam adhikara. Samhitayam ekaha purva parayoga. Now, what is the vritti? Samhitayam vishaye. At parasya. Right? At parasya. Omanghoho. Pare. Parau or pare. Parau, because it is dvivachanam. Parau. Purva parayoga sthane. Pararupam adeshaha bhavati. Right? Clear? Ad uttarasya omanghoho parau purva parayogastane pararupam adeshaha bhavati. Clear? So, avarna followed by om, avarna followed by ang. What will happen? Pararupa is adesha. That is what the sutra says. Now, see the vritti. Avarnat parasya. We said ad parasya. Both are same. Om shabde pare. Om is a shabda. Okay. Very particularly Om Shabda, not anything beginning with O. Here we are talking about Om Shabda. Okay. Similarly, Ang. Ang is Upasarga, the Shabda. Ang Shabde pare. Pura Parayogo Stane Pararupaha Ekadeshaga Bhavati. Clear? Upasarga is Padam. Here it doesn't mean Shabda doesn't mean it is declinable. Says Shabda is word, that's all. It's a padam only. Okay. Now, akarat, akarat, paraha, yadi om shabdaha, ang shabdaha, ang upasargaha, shabdaha you can say, ang upasargaha, agachati, targhi, purva parayogo, pararupaha adeshaga, bhavati, tata. Shivaya plus om, a plus o will become Shivayom, om. So, therefore, this is apavada to vriddhi. Because A plus O, what will happen generally? Oh, here vriddhi. Sorry, here apavada to vriddhi. Apavada pararupa is adesha. Then Shiva plus Egi, that is the example in the chart is given. Shiva ending with A, avarnantat. Egi is अत्र येगि इति आङ् उपसर्गपूर्वकम् इन्धातोः लोट् लकारस्य मध्यमपुरुष एकवचनस्य रूपम् अस्ति. Clear? How you get येगि? येगि is a load form of indhatu with the आङ् upasarga. Right? So येगि means we have to understand. You don't see the letter A alone. It is got A plus E. Right? That is what you have to see. So therefore, Shiva plus Egi, when you say, and A is Ang is there. A is Ang is there. So you have to understand that the A which is the combination of A plus E. So if A is that which has got Ang upasarga, then Shiva plus Egi will become Shivegi. A plus A will not become Vriddhi. Understand? This you need to understand clearly. A plus A will not become I. That is why Avegi is not the correct form. Avegi also it's okay. If it is some books it is given. I am talking about the Kaivalya Upanishad. Some books it is given, it's okay. Chandasam we can take it. But grammatically, by applying this Omangascha Sutra, what happened? Shivegi you get. Right? Clear? What is that you are saying? Huh? Lizard, okay. Everything has entered, only the tail has not entered. You know that story? You don't know? Teacher was taking class. Students are all listening. It's okay, let it be there, no problem. Students are all listening, then and the teacher is teaching mathematics. At the end of the class, the teacher asked, everything has entered? Then the student said, he asked one particular student. He said, yes sir, except the tail. What? Except the tail, everything has entered. What is tail? No, there is on the ceiling, a rat was negotiating through a hole, trying to enter through the hole in the ceiling. It has everything has entered, only the tail is protruding. So the student said, everything has entered except the tail. That is like a lizard. This is not lizard, this is a type.
I'm trying to understand
The tail. Why it did not enter? Yeah.
Upasaga plus in, Natal plus he,
Mm.
Ehi. Why?
Again?
Upasaga
Ah.
plus in plus he.
Mm.
Why Ehi?
Why Egi? What will happen?
Because Guna is given there.
Guna will happen.
E plus he, Ehi, and A. A plus E.
You are asking Ang plus in. Why it is A?
No, I'm asking why A plus Ehi, Ehi.
A plus Egi. Where is it? A plus Egi. Okay. A plus in is there. That only becomes Egi.
Yes, it's
Why it's okay?
Umakara.
Egi is indhatu with Ang upasarga. Okay. Now A plus E. I will ask you a question. A plus E. How it is A? Tell me.
This is Pararupa.
Pararupa.
This is
Guna. A plus E is A plus in plus E. A plus E will become
how over E.
okay.
That's because I was thinking about that example of Praupasaga, that you have to first add the T Prataya and then the Upasaga, but it's because it's Lamakara, right?
Okay, see.
Because otherwise it would be A plus Ehi, and then
1 minute, I'm thinking something else.
Pararupa.
Okay,
Now I get it, sorry.
okay. Now I'm thinking 1 minute. Let me this.
No, and I understand.
Okay. No, I thought something will come here. Okay. In dhatu plus ang upasarga, a plus e guna happens. A plus e is guna, therefore yegi. Right? Yegi. Now, this when you see the yegi, the form that a has got ang tvam. The a has the status of being ang, right? So that follows here. Shiva plus egi. I think that is what I have given in the Sandhi chart. You can see ang tvam asti iti vibhavaniyam. You have to see the letter egi as ang tvam. Okay. So the egi has got ang tvam. Understand? It has the ang. Two. It has a status of being the ang. So Purapada ending with a followed by egi. What will happen? A plus angtva egi. Then pararupa avegi. Okay, I think too much discussion on this not required. Om Mangasya. Simple. This is you have to spend time on so many other things. Okay. Right? This is one sutra. We have seen this. Huh?
The next one.
Yes. So this Om Mangasya, A plus A. Generally, what will happen? A plus A. Vriddhi. Therefore, this is Apavada. And Yegi is a form of Indhatu. So, here one interesting point is here. Shiva plus Yegi asmin udarane Yegi etat Indhatoho ekaradi rupamasti. Right? Indhatu's form which beginning with Yegi, ekara. Right? Ataha atra eti edati utsu, what we saw yesterday. Ityasya api prasaktaha asti. Can it come or not? Yegi is a form of indhatu. Yes or no? So, by that, eti edati utsu. Eti edati utsu, if you apply, you get avaihi. Yes. Ava plus yehi. Now, he is saying, atra prasakta, ityapi prasaktahi asti. Atra kasya prayoga karniyah eti edati utsu iti omangasya ityasya apavada asti va asya uttaram anaya paribhashaya labhyate purastat apavadaha anantran vidin bhadante na uttaran purastat ityukte utsarga sutrat prak anantara vidihi ityukte utsarga vidihi yaha apavada sutrat anantaram प्रथमः आगच्छति सः अतः अस्याः परिभाषायाः अर्थः अयम् अपवादसूत्रं तस्मात् अनन्तरस्य केवलम् एकस्य सूत्रस्य एव अपवादरूपेण कार्यं करोति तदनन्तरं विद्यमानानां सूत्राणाम् अपवादरूपेण कार्यं न करोति अपवादसूत्रात् पूर्वं विद्यमानानां तु अनेकानां सूत्राणाम् अपवादरूपेण कार्यं कर्तुं शक्नोति ओके सो इस् Eti edati utsu, is it an apavada to omangascha? Eti edati utsu iti omangoscha ityasya apavada asti va anasti va? That question is. Asya uttaram anaya paribhashaya labhyate. There is a paribhasha. All these things are little bit too much. It's okay. Purastat apavadaha anantaran vidin bhadante na uttaran. Purastat iti utyukte utsarga sutrat prak. Utsarga is general sutra. Purastat means before the utsarga sutra. Anantara vidihi ityukte utsarga vidihi yaha ityukte saha utsarga vidihi yaha apavada sutrat anantaram pratamaha agacchati saha anyesham utsarga vidinam apekshaya. So अस्याः परिभाषा अतः अयम् अपवादसूत्रं तस्मात् अनन्तरस्य केवलम् एकस्य सूत्रस्य एव अपवादरूपेण कार्यं करोति तदनन्तरं विद्यमानानां सूत्राणाम् अपवादरूपेण कार्यं न करोति ओके therefore omangascha is not apavada he says by this paribhasha okay leave that paribhasha it's all too much it's not required now we'll talk about this paribhasha later. So, therefore, eti omangoscha, it's not apavada. ओमाङ्गोश्च एति इति ओमाङ्गोश्च इत्यस्य अपवादः अस्ति वा नास्ति द आन्सर् इस् नास्ति ओके लीव् दट् so it's apavada to vriddhi only that much is enough okay this paribhasha part we'll see later it's too much actually not required at this point in fact omanghosha is all not important unnecessarily because it is in the sandhi chart that's why I'm covering it okay the next one so we have seen this then atogune we know what is atogune 6197 in the sutra pata you can see sutra pata atogune 6197 where do you see atogune
When a padanta akara is followed by a letter, then both purvas and pararupa replacing by pararupa.
where we have seen this patati patataha patanti one example remember pata plus anti will become not patanti atogune now what are all the anuvrittis now atogune you take atogune 6197 oh not there here 6197 okay what are all the anuvrittis atogune is gune is what vibhakti saptami it means guna letter follows what purva padam ending with short so ataha is what vibhakti 5-1 ato is ataha is 5-1 guna is 7-1 so purva parayoga sthane kim adesha bhavati pararupam is the anuvritti from engi pararupam clear is it clear ataha means short when followed by guna letter and the short also what it must be akara must be apadanta that is important apadanta comes as anuvritti from the previous sutra you can see the previous sutra ato gune here usi apadantat is here apadantat the word is there okay usi apadantat so apadantat comes as anuvritti apadantat what vibhakti panchami therefore ataha is also panchami qualifies the akara which is apadanta right apadantat akarat so apadanta is a qualifier apadantat akarat uttarasya what letter gune pare guna is guna letter akarah ekarah okarah iti etesham iti etesham varneshu if etesham varne pare okay anything can follow pare purva parayoga sthane kim adesha bhavati pararupam comes as anuvritti from engi pararupam okay pararupam adesha bhavati so all these are pararupa sandhi that is why covered together engi pararupam has got two vartikas omangas already we have seen then atogune clear so together we see then after seeing this then apavada comes to vriddhi that eti edati utsu is it clear it's all already learned one only not nothing new so now atogune you can see apadantat anuvritti pararupam anuvritti achi comes as anuvritti not required samhitayam ekah purva parayoga is adhikara so apadantat ataha gune pare purva parayogo pararupam adeshah अपदान्तात् अकारात् गुणे परे पूर्वपरयोः एकः पररूप एकादेशः भवति so example is given अदेङ्गुणः इति अनेन अकार एकार ओकाराणां गुणसंज्ञा भवति yes right यदि अपदान्त अकारात् परः गुणवर्णः आगच्छति if अपदान्त अकार रस्व अकार note this followed by a guna letter then पूर्वपरयोः स्थाने पररूपः आदेशः भवति यथा पट् प्लस शप् प्लस अन्ति here a plus a it is a is apadanta akara followed by guna letter so a plus a will become only, not Savana Dirgha. So, Apavada to Savana Dirgha. So, this could be Apavada to Savana Dirgha. Suppose here in the Uttarapadam, if A letter is there, A plus A, generally A plus A, what will happen? A plus A is Vriddhi. But if it is Apadantaha, Vriddhi will not happen. So, Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi also. So, Atoguna is Apavada to Dirgha Sandhi, Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi. If it is O also, A plus O will be Vriddhi, Apavada to Vriddhi. So, Atoguna is Apavada to Vriddhi Sandhi, Apavada to Dirgha Sandhi. Clear? Atogune. Given, yes. So, this is Atogune 6197. This is done. Any doubt in this? Clear? Okay. So, this is done. Then now we come to Eti Edati Utsu. That already we saw. Eti stands for In Dhatu. Edati is Edra Dhatu. So, forms of the In Dhatu and the form of the Edati. So, now 6189. Yes. Did we see this yesterday? No, not yet. It started. Okay. Now, Eti Edati Utsu. What vibhakti? Saptami. So, it means what? It follows. Follows what? Follows. When does it apply? At. At gunaha. At gunaha comes as anuvritti. You can see Eti Edati Utsu. It is here. Eti Edati 6189. Okay. Ad comes as anuvritti. Right? Ad comes as anuvritti. So, Avarnath, that is Ad comes as anuvritti. Then Eti Edati Utsu Saptami. Adesha is Vriddhihi, not Purva. It is Apavada to Purva Pararupa Sandhi. Purva Parayogastane Vriddhihi Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, Sutram will be At Panchami followed by Eti Edati Utsu. Whose form? Eti means In Dhatu. Edri means Edati means Edri Dhatu. Whose form beginning with H letter. That's why He is there. As though it's like a qualifier. He, right? Qualifier. Eti Edati Utsu. Okay. That forms of the In Dhatu, Edri Dhatu beginning with H letter. Purva Parayogastane Vriddhiga Adesha Bhavati. Therefore, Avarnath Parasya, that is Ad Parasya, In Dhatoho, Ed Dhatoho, H Varne Pare. Forms of the In Dhatu and Ed Dhatu beginning with H follows. Ut Shabda, Ut is a word, okay, Shabda. Don't worry about that. Ut Shabde Pare. If Ut Shabda follows, then Pura Parayogastane Vriddhihi Adeshaha Bhavati. Example. Udaharanani. Upa plus Eti. Eti is Latlakara Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam of In Dhatu. Upa plus Eti becomes Upaiti. Pra plus Edate. Praidate. So, here Upa plus Egi. What will happen? Upa plus Egi. Upa plus it is Ava plus Egi. Ava plus Egi. Just now we saw. Avehi. There why it is Pararupa? Upa plus Egi then? What? That is important. That is important. Now here also I am asking Egi only. Upehi it will be, not Upaihi. So, Eti, Yeshi, Emi means then Vriddhi will happen. Upa plus Eti, right? Okay. It's not so much. You take your time to remember all those things. It's not so important. But basic Sandhi is Vriddhi, Guna, Ayadi Sandhi. All those things are important. Okay. I don't want to spend too much time on this as though this is very important, giving importance to this. No. Then, okay, clear? Now, after that, only few Vartikas are there. 4 Vartikas. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 4 Vatikas also can be seen from the Sandhi chart. You can just add. Yeah, given there. In Sandhi chart it is given. Kutra asti. Now you can see. With that we'll stop. Okay. Akshadohinyam upasangyanam. Okay. Vatikakara says Aksha Shabda, very particularly Aksha Shabda is followed by Ugini Shabda. Aksha plus Ugini, what will happen? Aksha plus Ugini, A plus U will become? A plus U will become Guna only. Generally Guna, but this is Apavada. Akshogini, right? So, Bhatikara says, if the Aksha plus Ugini Shabda come, then Guna will not happen, Vriddhi will happen, right? It's so important, it's not that much important, only one for one word giving. Ugini maybe this Akshogini is the army. See Ugini, check the meaning of Ugini. Leave it, not. Yeah. The whole meaning is it's the strength, the army, Akshogini, the divisions of the army. Vriddhi Sandhi. When Swa Shabda is followed by Ira Shabda, Irin Shabda. When Swa Shabda is followed by Swa plus Ira or Irin, A plus E will become Guna generally, but here it is Apavada, become Svairaha, Svairin. So that's what he says. Swadiri Rinoho Vartika. Okay. All this is Apavada to Guna. This is number 2. Not so important, all these things, and just read this. Okay. Then third one. Even to read this is difficult. Pradu Hodhodhye Shaishyeshu. Okay. When Pra Upasarga followed by Uga Shabda or Uda Shabda or Udi Shabda or Esha Shabda or Esha Shabda, what happens? Pra Upasarga, only Pra Upasarga. Pra plus U, generally Guna, but here Vriddhi will happen. Pra plus U, Vriddhi will happen. Pra plus A is A plus A. A plus A will be Engi Pararupam. Engi Pararupam will happen. Here it is Apavada. Engi Pararupam, remember, Avarna followed by Eng letter. Pararupa, Pra plus Eshaha, it should be Preshyaha, but here Apavada. Preshyaha, that is why this Vartika is. Clear? Okay, then the last one is when Pra Vatsara Kambala Vasana Dasha Rina is followed by Rina Shabda, very specific, then Pura Parayogastane Vriddhi Adesha Bhavati, not Guna letter. So Pra plus Rinam becomes Prarnam, Vatsara plus Rinam becomes Vatsararnam. Okay. Then the last one, Ritecha Tritiya Samase. It is there. The Sutra, Pata, I don't think it is there. Yeah, it is there. Okay. In Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, very specific. When Avarnanta Pura Shabda followed by Rita Shabda, very specific Rita, then what happens? Pura Para will be replaced by Vriddhi. If it is in Samasa, and Samasa within Samasa, it should be Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Sukha plus Ritaha, A plus R, what will happen? Vriddhi. Generally becomes Guna, but here Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa, therefore Sukhartaha you get. Parama plus Ritaha, Paramarth. Here Parama plus Ritaha. Here why it doesn't happen? Because it is not Tritiya Tatpurusha, it is Karmadharaya Samasa. Counter example, this counter example, that is how it is given always, right? So with this, we have done the Achandi rules almost. Actually, I wanted to finish it today, but could not do it. Another 2 rules are there. Another only one, Artascha. Artascha we know. What is Artascha? Art Agama. In Lang Lakara, Art Agama comes to the Dhatu beginning with Ach. Then what will happen? A plus Vriddhi will happen, not Guna. That is Artascha. That is one sutra left. With that, Achandi is done. Okay. Then we will move to Visarga Sandhi, Al Sandhi. What does it means? Please, I don't see, I don't know, I don't remember. No, Yesha here means different, not that.
Oh, it's not that Asia.
Yesha not Yesha Yesho.
Oh,
Okay, so here it is different.
oh.
Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om